going to be making dog-friendly ice cream with peanut butter, 5 strawberries, a ripe small banana, Greek yogurt, and yeah. So you want to start with a small ripe banana. You want to get that out of the way so it's got more everything, and then put that in the bowl. So you want a mold, two cups, 1 whole cup and a half strawberries. Maybe just cut them in half so it's easy to mush.
Dog food, it's okay?
Yeah. Once you cut it up, put it in the bowl with your bananas. Wipe off your heads. Then you want 1.5 cups. Or is that just half a cup? Okay. Ideally you want non-salted butter. But I don't have any of that, so we're just using normal butter with no sugar.
Peanut butter?
Peanut butter. Try not to waste anything because family can still use PB&J. Mix. Half a cup of peanut butter. Okay, and we want 1 cup of natural yogurt. I'm just using Greek yogurt because it's the same thing. Go right in there. Scrape off the extra. Into mix. That was an accident. Okay. You want to mix it through and then maybe get like a what's it called? Like a potato masher to mash it, all the fruits up to make it into like a paste. Yeah. So once we've done mixing, you should mix it until it's like a light brownish color. More like a pale yellow, like this color. Till it's nice and smooth. No chunks of just peanut butter. Once you mash it up a lot, it's probably going to go a bit pink because of the strawberries. And also make sure that you get that banana. The banana's going to be really easy to mash if it's ripe. So ideally you'd want to use a ripe banana. Mix it up again. If you find any more clumps. Mush it up again. So this is for my dog Pirate. Struggle let me see. So Pirate is a Portuguese water dog. He got him from Margot. Can't remember her last name, in the Blue Mountains. He's black with a white chest, and he's a land shark.
Because he's still a puppy.
He's going to get to 55 centimeters. Keep finding more and more sharks. So I'll show him now what's this. Alright, say hi. Say hi. Okay, so once it's kind of like a tiny bit chunky like this, bit pink, get your tray. Just pop it in. Doesn't matter if it gets messy, like a dog's don't care. So I'm ditching this, so I'm going to use my spoon. Scrape it off if you're getting annoyed by it. So after this, you're going to freeze it for about 3 to 5 hours. 3 to 4, doesn't really matter. Till they're frozen, till they're hard. Like this, it doesn't matter because you can just do this. Flattens out. That doesn't flatten out, just flatten it out with a spoon. If you have any leftovers like I do, just put it in with the ones that don't have much. And if you do want to spoil your dog by letting them lick your utensils, don't let them lick your knife. I'm pretty sure you would have the common sense. Just don't let them lick your knife. Okay, so put them in the freezer.
Do you want to let Pirate have a taste test first?
Yeah.
With the spoon? See if he'll come over to you.
Alright, come. Pirate, come. Hey, come here. Food orientated, aren't you?
Let me see if you can get him off on the camera.
Hey. Okay. Pirate. Use your tongue. What do you think? You like that? First time having peanut butter. You like it? So he loves ice, so this ice cream when it's frozen will be good for him. Why are you biting the spatula? You're biting the spatula. You want to lick the bowl? Yeah? So we made these yesterday.
What's these?
The dog-friendly ice cream. Smell it? You like that? Okay, great. Sit. Oh, you're on a stand. Sit. Down. Stand. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Now don't drop it boy. Up. Yes, sit. Fake. Yes, good boy. High five. Yes, good boy. Fist bump. Good boy. Nose bump. Nose